everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to share some of my experience shopping from Itsy Bitsy. And I recently bought a lot of stuff from Itsy Bitsy. You can check the box. So this is the how the packaging came. I have already opened it though, but all the products came so amazingly packed. I haven't used any of this because I really wanted to show you people. The important thing I wanted to share with you all was that whenever you shop from Itsy Bitsy, you can save extra 5% discount on your billing. To know how, check the description box below. So now let's see what all I bought, and I'm really excited to share with you all. These are all the products that I bought from Itsy Bitsy, and let me show you one by one. So this is the first thing that I bought. This is an alcoholic ink. It comes this way in a pack set of 3. You can also purchase individually, but I thought of getting more shades, so I bought a set. So this set is called Grapevine, and this one is Honey Maple. Next thing I bought is the pack of flowers. None of my shopping from Itsy Bitsy is complete without the flowers. Look at this beautiful bunch of pink flowers. I really loved it. You can use this bunch, only the bunch, to embellish your stuff. They are so amazing, and these are 100% handmade. So beautiful. So next I bought this 3 thin die cuts from Itsy Bitsy, and here are the designs. So I'm not sure about how much I'm going to make flowers, but this time I thought of giving hands-on handmade flowers. Generally I use the ready-made flowers. Now let's see if I will be able to use more of this flower dies from them. Next I bought this prime chipboard, pollen, some pigment ink, and of course craft glue from Itsy Bitsy. This is so amazing. You really need to try this one once. I really wanted the paper pack in 12 by 12 inches, but it was out of stock, so I had to go with the 6 by 6 inches. The paper quality is super amazing. You can check the thickness. The quality is amazing. The design is super amazing. Also the packet has a die cutting sheets, and they also have a tags. So it's really beautiful. You can check the designs. The paper quality is amazing. So this is the Woodland Stories. So next I bought this the Classics Gentleman paper pack, and you can see the quality of the paper. You can hear the sound of paper, right? The quality is super amazing. You can even use only card sheet for your projects. You don't even need a base. You really don't even need to an extra sheet to make it stuff. The paper is super amazing. And look at this masculine theme paper pack. I am so in love. It's really very difficult sometimes to find something for a man, and this paper pack is going to save my life. See all the elements these people have. So now whenever you want to make anything for your masculine theme, this paper pack is going to save your time, and the project is going to come out so amazing. You can see this doily die cuts. I really love this thing. The thing these people provide now, this is super amazing. I also bought this floral botanical garden paper pack. The paper pack is so beautiful. I'm not generally so much into the flowers, but this paper pack is super amazing. You can just take out. You can use this shit for the layouts or the backgrounds. You can just fussy cut this and use it. There are so many possible ways to use this paper pack. I really love this one. The quality is super amazing. Check this out. It's so bold, and colors are so amazing. This is so pretty. This is so cute. The colors are so versatile. You can use them for anything. And I really another pack with this doily cut out. Really love this thing. You just have to pop it out, and you can use this for embellishing. It saves so much of your time. Really, this is the best thing these people have. Even the element sheet, look at this. You just have to fussy cut this and use for your embellishing. And also these people have the sheet with the tags, so it's so much amazing. So this was all the things that I bought from Itsy Bitsy recently, and don't forget to check out the description box so that you can save extra 5% whenever you shop from Itsy Bitsy. and soon I will be posting some of the inspiration projects and posts related to the products, reviewing them and a lot of different things here on my YouTube channel, even on my Instagram reels. So don't forget to check them out and to subscribe to our channel before you leave.